Let us see how to approve the purchase order requests generated in Petpooja inventory. So to approve your purchase order request, first you need to log into your owner's dashboard and then go to all outlets section. It is very necessary to select all outlet to check all the purchase orders received from all the outlets mapped under your admin user. Here the section of inventory will be visible, and inside inventory purchase order approval will be visible. All the purchase orders for a particular restaurant or all of the restaurants are visible here in such format. You can click on edit and approve the purchase order or make necessary changes as per your liking. Once approved, it will disappear from this area and the purchase order will be converted to saved status in the particular outlet. The another way of approving a purchase order is by going to that particular outlet, then going to the inventory section, and inside inventory going to request for purchase. Here, as you can see, the purchase order is displayed as pending for approval. If and only the user is an admin user and has the right to approve the purchase order, he can use this function. We'll click on edit and again do the necessary changes if needed and click on approve. Once done, the status will be converted to saved. So these are the two methods of approving the purchase orders. If you want to do it in bulk, then you can select all outlets, and if you want to do it individual outlet wise, then you can go to the particular outlet and approve the purchase order. Thank you.